Hello, my name is Sultan Marki. I am from Narayanpet, Telangana state. I recently completed the 45 days of internship OJT program from Avizon TechnoServe Private Limited. It was the very valuable experience because it's very well structured, covered important topics like networking, Windows administrator, Linux cybersecurity, uh, CCNA, and more. Each module was explained in the simple and practical way, making it easy to understand even the beginners. The recorded session are very helpful as it could watch very bit my own way and revise many more every day. The trainer was acknowledgeable and explained every concept with a real-time example and felt like practical balance between theory and practical. So I recently joined at Deloitte in the package of 2.6 LPA. This all could be possible because of Vision TechnoServe. Thank you.